What is going on YouTube? Happy New Year, or whenever you're watching this video. This is I do this once a month with my blogging update after every month. I look at my stats, I look at the negatives, the positives, where I want the blog to go. Excuse me, and I also want to include my second blog I have as well. So, the xking.com is my primary blog. This is my authority site. This is how I want to make 30, 40 grand a month per month on this site here. So with this, let's show you with last year. Today, January 2nd, 2020. Last year, or in December of 2019, I got 291 visitors. I'm sorry, let's go back to November. November, I had 294 people come to the site. December, I had 291. So I wish that would got 300 or 350. So at least my channel, my blog was growing, but I fell 3 people short. So that's okay. So I keep on grinding. I can see all through last year. I got some big spikes here. I started putting more content out, and it's not going as I want to be quite honest. You could compare last year, March and April I got 139 views, and later that year I'm getting 244. So you could say I'm getting more traffic, but it's not the highest growth I've been looking for. I'm doing 3 posts per week. My first month of blogging, I did 30 blog posts in 30 days. I was writing like crazy. December, I did 30 posts. That January of this year, I did about 15 posts. And I do 3 blog posts per week on this blog. I want this blog to maybe 30, 40 grand a month, which I believe it can do it. So it's not where I want it to be at right now, but as so far January 2nd, as in January, I had 17 people to the site so far. It's not going where I wanted to go, but I don't know what's wrong with the site. I'm still looking to the site. Go check the health out. Maybe some bad backlinks on it. I don't know. I'll go to my Google Search Console, see what's backlink to the site. Maybe that's what's hurting it. Maybe it needs more content. I got probably over 400 posts on the site. So it has small posts, some big posts, not too many pillar posts, not too many free 4,000 or 5,000 words, but plenty of 2,000, 1,800 word blog posts on this site. Plenty of those. I will order some. I hire ghostwriters as well. So this year, I wanted to hit $500 a month. I want the hockey stick growth. I have plenty of content to do that with. And that's my first site. My second site is called rotogrip.org. That was my first time talking about the site on YouTube. I can see in November I got 222 people. In December I made 265. So this is a pretty consistent 200 people per month site. I need to wrap this site up and put more content on the site as well. And over time I'll make more money. This site was off and on. Bowling is a hard subject to write about because it's a sport, and bowling is a visual sport. It's not like basketball, football are more stat based. You could do stats, history. Bowling is more visual, I think, in my opinion, because bowling is all about how the ball looks, how the hook looks, and stuff like that. So I'm going to continue to pump out at least once a week this blog as well. And I'm thinking about starting a new blog. I'm thinking about having 3 blogs, my authority site, have my bowling site running once a week on, and have an additional blog as well. More blogs, the better. And I have other blogs as well. I own a container home blog. I'm not into container homes at all, but I'm thinking about doing maybe 1 post a week on there as well, to create some passive income. And to me, blogs are online assets. They're almost real estate. They're online assets that you can build up and then make you money while you sleep. And blogging should be part of your portfolio of making passive income. So as the stats are not great on my authority site, I still gonna keep posting content. I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna throw in the towel. I'm gonna keep on keeping on and writing good content to people help people out. So that's the end of my video. And also, blogging is not the only thing that I'm in. I'm also in YouTube. I have 2 YouTube channels. I'm into dividend paying stocks as well. I started at beginning of last year, took a long break from it, got back on it the end of last year, 2019. That 2020, I'm planning on buying more dividend paying stocks for additional income stream. So not only am I into blogging, but also YouTube as well. In my next video, I'll talk about how much money I made with YouTube to this point. And it's not much though, but these are passive ways to make money that if I give it more time, it will make money. So if you're looking for income streams you can get into, if you want to learn affiliate marketing, is first of all, below the video I have a link for that. If you want to start your website now and start putting out content, you could go down below. I have a link to Bluehost, my hosting company that I use. And really, if you want to start buying dividend paying stocks, you could start investing with like $10, $20 and buying you a stock that pays you 20, 30 cents every month or every quarter, but you get that money on a frequent basis. So you could get that money, and you want to diversify your job portfolio. Don't allow your job to be your only source of income, because you always get cut or they let go of people. Anything can happen. That's why I build online income streams and give it time and keep putting more work into it. So one day it will pay off. It will pay off one day. And my YouTube channel is a testament to that. And also my Robinhood account has paid off as well. So that's the end of my video. Not where I wanted to be at. In 290 views per month, but it might go to 300, then 400, then 500. The number is great. So that's my goal, to keep pushing out content for this site no matter what happens. I'll keep my head down in the sand and keep on writing content. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Any questions, comments, concerns about blogging? I'm into Pinterest. Pinterest helps a little bit, but not much. The best thing you can do for a blog is to publish. Hit that publish button on your blog for your content. And I pick a frequency for this blog that I'm comfortable with. I can write 3 posts a week on the site. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, a new blog post go live on my site. I use the WordPress timestamp feature to do that. So I'll write like 10 for 12 posts, and 12 posts would give me a month. So I'll write 12 posts in 2 weeks, and that's take care of that month. And I'll write another 6, 7 posts that carry 2, 3 weeks. And before you know it, you're ahead 2, 3 months of content going out automatically for you. Well, you know how to do that. And I could spend more time on YouTube. I can spend a little more time on researching dividend paying stocks and spend more time on investing in real estate. So a lot of things are coming down the pike this year. 2020 is a good year, good start. So if you're interested in blogging, affiliate marketing, or making money with YouTube, I have links all below the video as well. I have links to I also have cashback apps that I use to make money while I buy for things that way to make passive income. I'll link that down below the video as well. But that's the end of my video. My name is Todd from SKing.com and rotogroup.org. Thanks for watching.